It's Uncle Jammy, and it's time to have a little bit of fun. It's a box from Harvie, Mediterra, Olive and Marlowe. Oh, look at these bad boys. Carrots, everybody out there, carrots. Nice, sweet potatoes.
They're from Yarnick's Farm in Indiana, Pennsylvania.
Now, I don't know about you, Mackenzie, but I'm in a minority who likes the chicken thighs a little bit better. I'll do the chicken breast, but the chicken thighs, it got a little bit of a peel, a little fattiness, the darker meat, magnificent.
Awesome. This is one of our two chicken suppliers, and they have a bunch of small farms that they aggregate together and process them under this label in eastern Pennsylvania, Maryland area. So cool to have it coming from a bunch of different small farms using these sustainable practices.
This can all be yours, Harvie, right here. We're gonna get to put this all to good use. The olive oil from Olive and Marlowe. Why do they smell amazing?
What's your favorite vegetable?
What's my favorite vegetable? Carrots are like my go-to.